Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Medi-Science Engineering and Technology.
High frequency X-ray generator repair video. The generator C&D board has been burned. Now I try to find out the X-ray generator problem. First I open the AC input side and check the AC input fuse. The fuse is all okay. And second step, I check the three-phase rectifier. Three-phase rectifier is okay. Now I check the transformer and wall circuit input voltage. A new problem detected. The cable connection is wrong. Now I try to solve this problem. Sorry everyone, I have not enough time to explain the X-ray machine repair video. Please don't skip this video. Thank you for watching our video. Allah Hafiz.